Have you ever wondered what the future of financial technology might look like? In a world where the value of the global fintech market is projected to soar to $305 billion by 2025, it's a question worth pondering. Fintech has already permeated our daily lives, changing the way we bank, shop, and borrow. It's a digital revolution that's transforming our wallets and reshaping our financial habits. From online banking to digital payments, fintech is at the heart of this evolution, providing seamless solutions that are as innovative as they are intuitive. And as we continue to navigate this increasingly digital world, the role of fintech is only going to grow. It's an exciting time to explore what's next for this dynamic industry, so buckle up because we're about to take a journey into the future of fintech. Now let's dive into the top 10 fintech trends that will shape the industry in the next couple of years. First on our list is embedded finance. This trend is gaining traction, as consumers and investors alike are showing a growing interest in this innovative concept. But what exactly is embedded finance? It's the seamless integration of financial services into non-financial applications. Think about ride-sharing apps where you can pay directly within the app, or e-commerce platforms that offer instant credit at checkout. These are real-life examples of embedded finance in action. The real charm of embedded finance is its ability to make financial transactions more convenient, quick, and user-friendly. It brings the power of banking and financial services directly to the consumer, bypassing traditional banking channels. This not only enhances the user experience but also opens up new revenue streams for businesses. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more non-financial platforms incorporating financial services. Embedded finance is blurring the lines between finance and technology, making it a trend to watch. Moving on to our second trend, RegTech solutions. Regulatory technology, or RegTech, is a rising star in the fintech world. It's all about harnessing the power of technology to ensure accuracy and efficiency in regulatory compliance. Now, why is this important? Well, the financial sector is a labyrinth of complex, ever-changing regulations. Navigating this maze is crucial, but it's no easy feat. This is where RegTech steps in. It uses technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, and machine learning to help financial institutions comply with regulations swiftly and accurately. It's not just about ticking boxes. It's about protecting consumers, maintaining trust, and avoiding hefty fines. RegTech can automate compliance tasks, spot potential risks, and even predict future regulatory changes. So, it's not just about surviving in the here and now, but also about adapting and thriving in the future. RegTech is not just a trend, it's a necessity for the financial industry. Our third trend is robotic process automation. Picture this, a world where the mundane tasks are handled efficiently and accurately, not by human hands but by robots. That's the world of robotic process automation, or RPA, a rapidly growing trend in the fintech industry. RPA involves using software robots or bots to automate routine tasks that are rule-based and repetitive. These tasks could be anything from data entry to processing transactions. By taking over these tasks, RPA allows human employees to focus on more complex and strategic work. This not only increases productivity but also significantly reduces the risk of human error. In the financial sector, RPA is a game changer. It's being used to automate a wide range of operations, including loan processing, fraud detection, and customer service. As a result, financial institutions are able to provide faster, more accurate services to their customers. RPA is bringing a new level of efficiency to the financial sector. Next up, let's talk about green finance. A rising trend in the fintech world, green finance is where finance and sustainability intersect. As our planet faces increasing environmental challenges, fintech companies are stepping up to the plate, offering finance solutions that not only serve their consumers, but also contribute positively to the environment. From investing in renewable energy projects to providing carbon offsetting tools, these companies are making it easier than ever for individuals and businesses to make eco-friendly financial decisions. Furthermore, they are using innovative technologies to measure and track the environmental impact of investments, bringing a new level of transparency to the financial world. This trend is not just about doing good but also about good business. With more and more consumers prioritizing sustainability, companies that integrate green initiatives into their services are set to thrive in the market. Indeed, green finance is not just a trend, it's a movement. Halfway through our list, we have the buy now, pay later trend. This trend is reshaping the retail landscape as we know it, offering a new, flexible way for consumers to purchase products. The concept is simple. Shoppers can purchase items and pay for them over time, typically in interest-free installments. This has the appeal of immediate gratification without the full immediate financial commitment, making it particularly attractive for those on tighter budgets or seeking to spread their costs. However, as with any financial service, there are potential risks. Consumers could find themselves in debt if they aren't careful with their spending. That's why it's essential to understand the terms and conditions before signing up. Despite these risks, the popularity of buy now, pay later schemes shows no sign of slowing down. The allure of convenience and flexibility is hard to resist, and many consumers are happy to embrace these modern payment options. Buy now, pay later is transforming the way we shop. Moving on to our 7th trend, AI-driven cost reduction. When we talk about artificial intelligence, we're not just discussing futuristic robots. We're talking about complex algorithms that can learn and adapt to real-world situations. In the banking industry, AI has started to play a major role in driving cost reductions. How does it do this? Primarily through automating routine tasks and improving overall efficiency. Imagine a world where tedious, time-consuming tasks like data entry and analysis are performed in a blink of an eye. This is the world AI is creating within the banking sector. It's not just about cutting costs, though. It's also about improving accuracy and speeding up processes, which in turn enhances the customer experience. AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't take breaks, and it doesn't make human errors. This is why AI is revolutionizing the way banks operate, and why it's such an important trend to watch. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer for the banking industry. Our 8th trend is on-demand pay. Now you might wonder, what exactly is on-demand pay? Simply put, it's a financial service that lets employees access their earned wages before the scheduled payday. It's the equivalent of having an ATM that dispenses your hard-earned money as and when you earn it. So, why are workers increasingly interested in this? Well, it's all about financial freedom and flexibility. No longer is there a need to wait for the end of the month or week to get paid. This trend is especially beneficial for those dealing with unexpected expenses or facing financial crunches in between pay cycles. Moreover, on-demand pay promotes financial well-being, reducing stress related to financial constraints. It can lead to a happier, more motivated workforce, which in turn benefits companies in terms of productivity and retention. In essence, on-demand pay is not just about when you get paid, but it's also about instilling a sense of control over one's financial life. On-demand pay is revolutionizing the way we earn. Moving on to our 9th trend, biometrics adoption. As technology evolves, so does the sophistication of cyber threats. It's no longer enough to rely on passwords and security questions. Enter biometrics, a game changer for security in the financial sector. Biometrics use unique physical or behavioral characteristics, like fingerprints, facial recognition, or even voice patterns to verify our identities. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Banks and other financial institutions are rapidly adopting biometric technology to enhance security and prevent fraud. It's easy to see why. Biometrics offer a level of security that's hard to beat because they're unique to each person. It's nearly impossible to fake a fingerprint or mimic a voice pattern accurately, but it's not just about security. Biometrics also streamline the authentication process, making it quicker and easier for us to access our financial services. Biometrics are making our financial transactions safer and more secure. Last but not least, we have the trend of neobanks. Neobanks are digital-only banks, without any physical branches. They operate solely online, offering a range of financial services from the palm of your hand. Now, why is this appealing to young consumers, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in convenience and flexibility. Neobanks are open 24/7, making banking possible at any hour of the day. They offer real-time notifications, budgeting tools, and instant money transfers, all things that resonate with fast-paced, digital-savvy consumers. And let's not forget, signing up for a neobank account often takes just a few minutes with simple ID checks and no lengthy paperwork. Moreover, neobanks are usually cheaper than traditional banks with minimal fees and competitive interest rates. They are also known for their sleek, intuitive app interfaces, making banking a visually pleasing experience. In essence, neobanks are reshaping the banking landscape for the new generation. So, those were the top 10 fintech trends shaping the future. From the growing interest in embedded finance to the rise of regtech solutions, the financial landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Robotic process automation is taking over mundane tasks, freeing up valuable time for strategy and innovation. The rise of green finance is demonstrating how fintech is not just about making money, but also making a difference. The popularity of buy now pay later schemes continues, but with a note of caution. Artificial intelligence is driving cost reductions, while on-demand pay is changing how we think about salaries. Cybersecurity remains paramount, with biometrics adoption leading the way, and neobanks are appealing to the tech-savvy younger generation. This transformative potential of fintech trends is reshaping not just our financial sector but our lives. The future of fintech is exciting and full of possibilities. Stay tuned to keep up with these trends.